When it comes to powerlifting, everybody talks about the essentials. But what about accessories that can actually level up your training? Even if you're just a regular gym rat, the right accessories can help you lift more, recover faster, and avoid common mistakes. So stick around till the end, because I'll share one accessory that's been a complete lifesaver for me. I never train without it, and it might save you years of frustration. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This little accessory can totally, completely change your lifting experience. For pulling movements like pull-ups and deadlifts, it can help you add more weight without worrying about your grip. I mean, we're talking about adding potentially 50 pounds on your deadlifts or maybe even 25s on your pull-up game. Pull-up game. Oh my God. Pause. And I know from personal experience, I have super sweaty hands. And to help with that, these wrist straps have been just a game changer. I never train without them, and honestly, this is the one accessory that has saved me countless of times. Without these straps, half my PRs probably wouldn't even exist. Well, maybe just a third actually. And hey, if you've ever walked in the gym thinking that today's the day that you're gonna hit that PR, only for your grip and to give out first, hit that subscribe button so that you and I both know we've been in that spot before and at least one of us can get stronger. And so if you're considering buying a pair, I highly recommend looking for a leather pair. They last the longest. They could probably likely last you your entire life. And while you could buy the cheaper ones on Amazon, and they totally do work, I found myself that they've ripped multiple times and I've had to buy multiple pairs in the future. So instead, I would say just buy the leather ones. That way you only need to spend that money one time. And if you thought wrist straps were helpful, wait till you see the next accessory. This will change your grip game even further. Pause. So yeah, you probably guessed it. Let's talk about chalk next. If you've ever felt like your grip is slipping mid-set, chalk is your best friend. It instantly gives you a better grip whether you're pushing or pulling. And this actually allows you to focus on moving the muscle instead of just worrying about whether you're gonna lose that grip or not. And you know what? The best part is that these chalks to block are dirt cheap on Amazon. So I highly recommend looking on Amazon for any chalk that you could buy. I would just go for the cheapest one. The brands don't really matter that much. Another recommendation you can get is to get liquid chalk as well. You could also find those on Amazon. I personally just go for the chalk block. That's what everyone goes for. It's cheap and it gets the job done. But hey, you might be someone that likes liquid chalk more, so give that a shot if you are interested. But the next question is, what happens when your body weight isn't enough anymore? And this is where the next accessory will really kick in and change your lifting experience even more. Now, if you plateaued on pull-ups, the weighted belt is everything you're going to need going forward. This is called a weighted belt, and essentially it's just a little fabric belt with a chain attached on it as well. This is going to help you add weight doing your dips or even your pull-ups going forward. The best part is that you don't need to overpay for the expensive ones. My belt was cheap and I've loaded it with up to 70 pounds before, and that was easy peasy, no problems, nothing bends. But training isn't just about pushing hard. It's also about taking care of your body. That's why recovery tools are so important and the last piece of the puzzle. Lastly, let's talk about massage balls, foam rollers, and also a massage gun. Now, these aren't mandatory, but I would say they are very helpful when you know how to use them properly. So a massage ball works great for loosening those little tight spots, especially around your glutes when you need to do them before your squats or maybe even your deadlifts. Now, a massage gun is perfect for targeting those specific areas where it's a little bit harder to reach for the massage ball. And the best thing about this is that it's easy to handle and you can target that area for longer. And of course, you have the foam roller. It's a classic tool that you probably see everywhere at every single gym. And these help with muscle fatigue and a little bit of circulation. And you probably see everybody warm up and roll their backs and legs with this before they do any type of exercise in the gym. You know, at the end of the day, they all do a similar thing at its own specific way and its own unique style. Now, the thing about these items is that they can be inexpensive. This one actually only cost me $37 when I bought it, and it was perfectly does exactly what I want. And so this is actually the trigger point massage ball, and I believe I spent around $125 for a massage ball that just vibrates. Dude, totally not worth it. I wouldn't have bought it. I mean, I got a really good deal on this, and this was $37, and this is infinitely better than the massage ball. So honestly, if I had a choice to pick between the two, I'd obviously go for the trigger point gun just because it was much cheaper. But if it was a similar pricing, at the end of the day, it's totally up to you. I would just stick with the massage gun personally. personally. Now, the Trigger Point foam roller actually starts around like $92, I believe. So yeah, not totally worth it in my opinion. But the nice thing about the Trigger Point foam rollers is it has a hard plastic inside, which means unlike the foam ones, these won't lose their shape over time. All right, I hope this video helped you guys figure out which accessories are actually worth it. These tools aren't required, but they can make lifting safer, more effective, and way more fun. So if you want to build your foundation first, make sure you go to my channel and check out my powerlifting essentials for beginners. I think that'd be really helpful for any of you that are interested in powerlifting. And I'll make sure to link it down below in the description or somewhere around the video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It helps me keep making content like this, and it would mean the complete world to me. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.